Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. If this is your first time here, my name is Troy, and I am a very creative person. And on this channel, I create all sorts of things using a Glowforge 3D laser printer. And if that's something that interests you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you will be notified when I drop a new video. And in this project, we're going to take a luxury bag, cut it up, and we're going to make a new Apple Watch band. This is the design that I came up with using CorelDRAW. I'm going to send it over to Glowforge Print, and once I get everything cut out, I'll explain to you how this watch band is going to work. Okay, now we're in Glowforge Print, and these are the settings that I decided to use with cutting out this watch band. I went with a speed of 450, full power, 1 pass, and I got the focus height on auto. Okay, now I'm going to show y'all how I plan on doing this. So we're going to take one of these pieces right here, which goes on the edge, and we're going to slide it inside of the band like so. We're going to slide it all the way down until we get to the center part like that, like in the middle, like right here in the center where I don't have any more like sewing holes right there. And we're just going to loop it around. So it's going to loop around, and this part is going to connect like this. And we're going to loop it around, and then I'm just going to hand stitch it all the way together on each side like so. That's how I'm going to do that one. And I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I'm going to take this. You see this little cutout hole that I got right there? You're basically going to slide it in between that. Take this part right here, and that's how it's going to go like that. But then this part right here is going to loop around like so. It's going to loop around like that, and then I'm going to also take this right here, and we're going to put it on this side. So it's going to slide inside of it like that, and we're going to slide it down, and it's going to go about halfway down like right there. I don't have any sewing holes like right there, and that part is going to loop around, and it should connect like right in the center, so therefore it'll be connected on both sides. So that's how I'm going to hook this side right here together. These two pieces right here, I'm going to glue them together on each side like so. And I'm just gonna make a little loop. And I think I'm just gonna try to glue it together, and hopefully it holds. But if not, I'm gonna have to figure out something else. Let's start the hand stitching. One down, one more to go. First thing I'm going to say, this turned out way better than I thought. Now, I know I probably say that a lot, but this really did turn out way better than I thought. I mean, it looks really good in person, and I hope it looks really good on camera. Now, it is a few things that I want to say. First of all, I am no expert when it comes to messing with this leather. It's like I just be putting it in my laser, and I cut it up, and I do basic sewing, and hopefully it turns out good. First thing is how wide my pieces is for the Apple Watch, like the metal parts and the band. I should have made them a little wider. I didn't even think to measure that. I use these measurements off of an old watch band that I did have. And also the little loop, that part right there was a little difficult to work with. I'm gonna have to work on it, but it don't look as bad once I put it on and put the loop in it. It doesn't look as bad. If you're gonna try to make this, when you playing with the leather and you got your hardware pieces to connect to the Apple Watch, you want to make sure that it's flipped on the right side. Like, it's like on the middle part, one side is silver and one side is black. The silver part, you want to make sure that side is inside. So when you start sewing it, you won't sew it on backward. The long piece without the middle part right here, without the middle part, the part that just got all leather, I just put that one on. But luckily, it looks the same on both sides, so it didn't matter. But that second one, I got a little worried. I did put it on the correct way. So you want to make sure that you got those metal pieces on the right way. Yeah, and also let me know in the comments how you think I did on this watch band, the design. Would you like to try it? And there you have it. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next project. Let's go make something else.